Welcome back. Today's video is going to be about making the flywheels and crank. I've deviated a little bit away from the plans themselves, which required a split in here and then a bolt running through to clamp up the crank pins. What I've done is, if you can just see this, I've actually put grub screws and putting flats onto the shafts themselves. I just felt this was a far more secure way of doing it, and also you can take them to bits as well quite easily, and you're not wrenching the screw up in here trying to clamp this large piece of metal here. So the video itself is about making these, and there's another little update on the mill as well, which I'll show you. Now, on my old WM18B, there was a quill sort of DRO on it, which was really quite useful, and I kind of missed it. I know I got the knee DRO, but I kind of missed this for drilling. I can still get to the stop here, but I can set it very accurately now. And if I turn this on, you'll see it. It just gives me that more detailed and accurate measurement. And it's something I've just, I won't say knocked up, but developed it as I went along, and it's worked fine. And it's been a cheap way of doing it. This itself is around about £35. I did look at, I think it's Matoyo, where they have something screwed to this with a bracket that comes around, but that was horrendously expensive at nearly £400–500. So it's a very easy way of mounting it, as you can see, and it works very well. And also the workshop itself is now looking a little bit more tidier and cleaner, which I'll put the grinding table over there. Thought it was getting a bit dusty where it was, which was there. So that's where that's going to sit now, and I'm rather pleased with it. Anyway, back to making this Hoglet, and the following bit of videos, just a bit of machining of these, a bit of work on the mill and the lathe, and you'll see the reason why I say cooking brass as the title. Anyway, enjoy. Thanks very much.